What's up, guys? Mr. Maines here, your Lapwai High School English teacher. Hope you guys are doing awesome, Wildcats. What I want to show all of you today is some cool features on commonlit.org. So this is the website where I'm posting pretty much all of your guys' reading assignments. I know I've worked around with a few different things, but as far as literature goes, this website is really cool. So let me show you a couple features. So here's an example of something I assigned to the freshman class, and you can see there's actually a lot of really cool features, one of which is this. If you guys are like looking at this and you're like, oh my gosh, that is so much text, how am I supposed to read that? You can actually click on the read aloud button and it will actually read it out loud for you. So for those of you who are auditory learners like me, that's really helpful. There's also some really cool things like guiding questions. So throughout the text, you guys can actually click on the questions and it will help you to understand what you're reading, and there will just be some simple multiple choice answers for you to select. These are all tools that are designed to help you guys with your reading, because sometimes, especially with older stories or older texts, it's kind of challenging. And when you're done reading, there are assessment questions for you to do. When you click on that, there will be a number of questions for you to complete, including it'll have a written answer for you guys to do as well. I do grade all of the written answers, so even though you'll get an official score in Google Classroom, what you need to do is go to commonlit.org so that way you can see the comments that I put on your answers. So everybody, I think every single class has been assigned something in Common Lit. This is just a brief little exercise to show you guys how to use it. So use it! I miss you guys. Hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, 6-hour freshmen, we have a Google Meet tomorrow at 10 a.m. See you then. Peace.